reading the license terms, accepting, next, custom, zero unallocated space, and we're clicking next. And now we're waiting. Okay, so while we were off camera, it went through the install and did a restart. Went through the setup is updating registry settings screen, starting services. It rebooted again, and now we are at the setting up Windows screen. I am going to just type in my name for the user and click next. And password is going to be 1234. Okay. At the next screen, we are going to use our recommended settings. Central Time. Okay, and click next. And here we are, logged on to Windows 7 for the first time. Okay, here we are back in Windows 7. We are going to be checking for updates. So we're going to click on the control panel and find Windows Update. I am going to click the Change Settings button. Check for updates, but let me choose. And we are clicking OK. Okay, and now we are going to install updates. Oh. Okay. I'm going to place a check mark next to the important and optional. That's a lot of them. Okay. And I am going to click OK. And we are going to click Install Updates. So while we're downloading updates, I am going to go in and change the settings for updates installing automatically. So I just clicked Install Updates Automatically, and I'm clicking OK. And that's that. There's a question on the back that asks why it is recommended to set important updates to install automatically. The updates are important to protect your computer from viruses and other things, and it's important not to forget them. So installing them automatically, you won't forget. Okay, so I'm going to be working in Task Manager in Windows 7. First, I'm going to open a browser and a folder. From the desktop, I am clicking Control-Alt-Delete, Start Task Manager, and Applications. I am selecting the open browser, which is Internet Explorer here, and clicking Switch to. And that brought the browser window to the front. Then I am going to bring the Task Manager window back up. I'm going to click New Task, Create New Task, and I'm typing in Notepad and clicking OK. And that brings the Notepad up here. Now I'm going to select Notepad, End Task, and that closes the Notepad program. Next, we are going to work in the Services tab. I am scrolling through, and the statuses listed are either running or stopped. Performance tab. How many threads are running? There's currently 535. Processes, 37. Total physical memory is 6,057 megabytes. Available physical memory is 3,137 megabytes, and physical memory being used is 3,169 megabytes. Next, we are going into networking. My link speed is 2 megabytes per second. Yep. Okay, next we're going to the Users tab. All users and statuses, just me, the admin, and my status is active. From this window, I can either disconnect or log off the admin. Then I'm going to the Processes tab. I'm going to click Show Processes from All Users, double-clicking the border, which changes the view of my window to compact mode. I'm going to click image name and click it again, and what that does is it sorts all of the columns from A to Z or Z to A. I'm clicking memory, and that sorts them lowest to highest used or highest to lowest used. Okay, so I've double clicked from the compact mode and I am back to my tabs mode. I am going to open a browser. Here is Internet Explorer. I'm going to bring my Task Manager back up and click on image name so that the list is in alphabetical order, and I'm going to find Internet Explorer, right click, set priority, and set it to above normal. Yes, we're going to change the priority. Then I'm going to go up here and click View. Oops. Select columns. And I am going to select base priority. Okay, and I am looking for... Okay, from here I'm in the Windows Task Manager, and I am looking for the name of the image whose base priority is above normal, and that's our Internet Explorer browser that we have up. The image name that has a base priority of NA is the system idle process. Now we're going to reset the browser back to normal priority. So I am going to go find my Internet Explorer. I'm going to right click, go to set priority, and I'm going to click it back to normal and change priority. Then I am going to go back to the view, select columns. I'm going to uncheck base priority and click OK. Then I am going to close my browser back here, close all open windows. The reflection question asks why it is important for an administrator to understand how to work within the Windows Task Manager. If a process isn't working, the administrator can go in the Task Manager and either analyze the process or end it. Okay, we are installing Packet Tracer in Windows 7. So I'm going to go to my documents, locate the setup, okay, I'm going to click run. Okay, so now I'm at the setup. I'm going to click next. I accept the agreement. Okay, we're going to keep the default settings. Okay, so the default location for the Packet Tracer is in the Programs folder. So now we're going to click Next. We're going to keep all these default settings and click Install. Okay, I'm going to click Finished and OK. Okay, and here it is installed. Okay, so now we are going to uninstall Packet Tracer. I'm going to exit out of everything. I'm going to go to the control panel. Oops. And I am going to click Programs and Features. Okay, here. I'm going to click the Packet Tracer and uninstall. Yes, I want to completely remove it. And now it has been removed. We're going to verify that it was removed. After the process, we're going to make sure that it doesn't show in. I'm going to go back out and I'm going to go back into Programs and Features, and no, it is not there any longer. That's it. One more thing. I forgot to answer the reflection question on the back. It asks, why does Microsoft recommend using the uninstall or change a program to remove an installed application? Doing this cleanly removes all of the registry keys and everything else that's involved in the program and gets rid of all of it at once.